You've got 50 rows of messy data. Different lengths, different labels, absolute chaos. The amateur tries a nested mid and find formula. It works, until it doesn't. One change in ID length, and your dashboard breaks. An analytics architect doesn't hard-code solutions. We build patterns. The secret code? \D+. It doesn't care if the ID is 2 digits or 10. It ignores the noise and extracts the truth, instantly. It even respects the leading zeros. Precision is the foundation of every great insight. Stop fighting your data. Start architecting it. Follow for the next blueprint.